What up, everybody? What's happening? Hope everybody's doing well. Just want to give a little update on the build. Got the 97 Ram 12 valve. Just did a little camper conversion on the camper shell. Just threw a high lift jack on it, old school Warren. Right here in Nevada, Telephone Pole Cove. It's an ARE camper shell. So that's kind of what it looks like, down and boxed up. Have electrical system here, 30 amp Victron DC charger, 1000 watt inverter, cheapy, fuse box, battery charger, 10 amp, fire detector, smoke alarm, thermometer. Keep the other one in the fridge. This is all the switches. Got 200 amp hours of AGM right here underneath. Water. This thing's got a drawer system. Got lucky on this. Worked out pretty well. Keep all of our stuff in there. Both sides slide out. Yeah, that's it. It's really pretty out here. Weather's perfect. It's like December the 3rd. Really nice weather. We keep the interior kind of a mess right now. I got my CB 5-speed manual, of course. And we have the fridge, a little ice co, 45 back here. Nice and easy. This runs off the secondary battery bank too, so it's not my starter batteries. Yeah, just out here having a good time. Freaking beautiful.